Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make PolyBuzz AI character. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make PolyBuzz AI character. So when you open your of course application and log in, you need to go and click on the plus button. So in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have home, we have the chat button, and we have the plus button where you can go and create your character. So this is the creator hub, as you can see. So we have character, you can go and click on regular, then put in, of course, if it's going to be a regular character, it can be a multi-role, it can be a team, as you can see, and you can put in the images by clicking on image here. Then we have the avatar and the webtoon. Now we have some training templates here that you can of course go and also use. So let's say we want the regular, click on regular. Then here you can AI generate or upload the picture by yourself. So it depends on you, what you want. Click the name of the character here in the name, then click the gender, female, male, or non-binary, intro, greeting, public or private, confirm it, and click save and go next, and your character will then be created. So you just need to go and click on all of these moves to be able to go and create a character. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.